Umenta kasngi ka apun riu terik kolalengkot arjar arpusau ke Southwest Khasi Hills District harangkat kiwe ki district Khubor Jingrakhe ke jingdap nyup sansnem ke jingyok Republic Day ha ke jingelang kabala pelong hapok pelau ying school jongka Nativity High Secondary School Mawkyrwat. Hakani kesngi Menteri Ketanat Revenue and Disaster Department jong Khhuborjylla ubak Kyrmen Shylla ula Pynher ya Lama gari banshim ya Rashtriya Salute jong kenhon perit kebekentup naduk ki pulit ki NCC haduk ki kena school ha kerukom kebe isyongkun bat itenat harengkat kejingwan sakhilang kinong teri sorkar ki kena school rengkat kinong shnong jong Mawkyrwat sin adi block. Dapin chong shit shuk yakani kesngi da cultural program da jing sam jing bam da officers club Mawkyrwat cheki kunswet jong Hope orphanage bat ladon keban realty ki school ki blay shimenta ha ki march pass bat prathalik department ki blay shimenta ha ka jing yakop pen I ki tablo.
Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. The first contingent approaching the saluting dice is the police contingent of the Southwest Khasi Hills District Executive Force led by Havaldar S. Peit. Give them a big round of applause. The next in sequence we have the Meghalaya Government Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat led by Shri Khubor L. Shillong. In sequence we have the little. Let us give them a big hand. The next contingent taking the salute is the Bharat Scouts and Guides of Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat led by Shri Jingrakhe.
Extend my heartfelt greetings to you on the momentous occasion of India's 75th Republic Day. On this auspicious day, we reaffirm our commitment to the ideals enshrined in our Constitution and pay solemn tribute to leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute patriots from our own soil, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Namba, Patagon and Sangma, and other unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed force, paramilitary force, and police force who have laid down their lives in protecting the rule of law. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant progress in resolving the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, following the historic signing of a memorandum of understanding in March 2022 for 6 areas of difference. The process of survey has been initiated to demarcate the interstate boundary. The two chief ministers met again in May 2023 to initiate the process of resolving the dispute in the remaining 6 areas of difference. Regional committees have been formed to these areas and they have conducted meetings with their Assam counterparts. The government is committed to bring lasting peace to the state and once again reiterates that it is open to having talk with the HNLC within India's constitutional framework and as per guidelines of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs.
Participation. As part of SVEP, the district has seen the need to implement the election for all accessible by all mandate, whereas you can see where people of disability or old age or everyone in the aspect are being reached out, they are being given opportunities to exercise their rights and choose their representative. We encourage you all that during the upcoming general election, crafted Mainaness, the beautiful, the tableau pays homage to tradition, offering a heaven for these winged inhabitants to thrive and nurture the young. At the heart of this tableau lies the visionary CLLMP project by the MPDA, dedicated to fostering innovation and